Hi, I'm Jonathan with WTI, and this right here, it's my favorite cologne right now. This one's Cremo Spice and Black Vanilla. Let me show you why I like it. My favorite thing about this cologne is the longevity. I can apply it first thing in the morning after a shower, and 8 hours later, I can still smell the cologne. This is a cologne that changes with you as your day progresses. At first, you get a strong hint of spice, which adds boldness and masculinity to the scent. And later on, you get the rich aroma of black vanilla, which makes it perfect for any occasion. I carry this cologne with me everywhere, whether it's in my briefcase or in my car. And despite dropping it several times, the bottle has proven to be really sturdy. And something great about this cologne is the price. For me, this was the most inexpensive cologne I've ever bought. And I'm genuinely pleased because although they say you get what you pay for, that's not the case with Cremo. I've received many compliments and people think it's an expensive cologne. So if you're looking for a scent that's both captivating and versatile, give Cremo Spice and Black Vanilla a try. It's a great addition to any man's cologne collection. And that's my point of view.